One of the absolute best things about artificial flowers is when you get tired of them or when you're ready for a new look, you can literally just pull them straight up out of the ground and in seconds you can have a whole new look. How gorgeous is this Morning Glory collection? I love the variety of the colors, the variety of the textures. The leaves have variegation, the ferns in the middle add height, and by simply slightly stretching out the branches and bending them how you like, they have this beautiful drape overlook on the side, giving it such a realistic look in pots. Minutes earlier, I had all of these flowers shoved in my flower beds, and because they have a very thick plastic base, they go into the ground, stay really stable, and when you're ready to pull them out, it is so easy to pull them out and repurpose them. I simply started with the tallest element first, the ferns, and then went around the perimeter of a 14-inch pot, changing the colors, adding variegation, and kind of layering in the different ones, overlapping them so they had a realistic look. I'd say my favorite things, I love that the UV resistant silk flowers combine with the tall ferns that are more rubberized texture. There's just beautiful 12 different colors, fully adjustable, detachable. You can bend and shape any of the stems you like. They're weather resistant. They've been fine for me in the sun, the rain, the snow even, and I love no watering, no trimming, no maintenance whatsoever. They give that full garden color look with no work, and they instantly fill my planters with that volume and texture that I was hoping for. Perfect for busy homes like mine that still want beautiful curb appeal and they stay vibrant all season long. Or use them in transitional seasons and take them out when you're ready to plant real ones. Both work equally well. To me, they're just the easiest way to upgrade our patio. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.